Hello, I am Richard Ellis, an Agile and business process consultant. Today, I want to answer the question, why do you never seem to hear percentage of completion on user stories? In a waterfall environment, requirements are typically sized to take months or longer to build, test, and deliver to the customer. Management, of course, would like to know if the product is going to be on time and on budget, and if not, how much longer it will take, as well as what the obstacles are. Understandably, managers would like to receive regular status updates. Estimated percentage of completion of various components, along with other metrics such as RAG flags and reports, are crucial to properly monitoring a waterfall project. As inevitable difficulties arise and risk events occur, managers want to know about them. Regular updates help them do their job of managing expectations, commitment of additional resources, or modification to the project scope. In an iterative environment such as Scrum, work is completed in much smaller discrete pieces. These so-called user stories are sized to be completed within a single sprint, typically 2 weeks long. So at most, management will be left in the dark on uncompleted work for a maximum of those 2 weeks. Teams organize themselves to focus their efforts on completing user stories as efficiently as possible. They decide who does what to finish user stories. User stories equal customer value. To help team members coordinate effort among themselves, there is a daily stand-up or daily Scrum. These meetings, or ceremonies, as some Agile practitioners call them, are to sync up team members with each other. They may discuss uncompleted work, but only to ask others for help, or give an estimate to allow other team members to coordinate their own deliverables. The daily stand-up is not a report to management to inform them on the status of uncompleted work items. Management's report comes in the form of the sprint demonstration meeting at the end of the sprint. As Principle 7 of the Agile Manifesto states, working software is the primary measure of progress. User stories and tasks are not re-estimated during a sprint. They are completed, then team members turn to the next task. The absence of mid-sprint re-estimating and reporting saves time. Gathering the data, then presenting reports are, in the lean discipline, waste. It provides no value to the customer while consuming resources. Team members are trained to focus on just their development work. Task switching from development to reporting activities, then back again, creates a mental overhead of its own. This overhead really adds up. Have you ever had a text message, an email, or a phone call interrupt you what you were working on? How long did it take for you to get your head back into your work again? Agile and lean practitioners work hard to eliminate task switching. Multitasking is inherently inefficient. The idea of re-estimating a partially completed user story during a sprint is just not a concept in Scrum. It does not add value to the development process, which is to create customer value. Just because a manager asks for it does not mean it is still not waste. Have you ever seen a task listed as 99% complete week after week? Clearly there is more than 1% of the estimated work left to be done. Otherwise, someone would have taken a little extra time to complete it, rather than entering 99% in the report. Nobody likes to defend static completion percentages. In Waterfall, re-estimation is not done. Why would it make sense in Agile? User stories are designed to be small. When they are done, they are done. Until they are done, we do not know with certainty how much effort it will take. All we have is the estimate used in the sprint planning meeting. At the end of a sprint, completed user stories are demonstrated to stakeholders. Uncompleted ones are returned to the product owner. The team will then estimate the amount of work necessary to finish it. With this new estimate, the product owner will reprioritize it and put it back into the backlog. It may be included in the next sprint. It may not. That is up to the product owner. Agile development practices expose risk and uncertainties. Risk can hide in places like uncompleted work and optimistic schedules. The concept of exposing risk will be a subject of another video. Jira, Rally, and other tracking tools do not have a field for percent complete. To include it would encourage undermining one of Agile's underlying principles. Old habits are difficult to break. One of the tasks of an Agile coach is to work to eliminate waterfall reports from Agile projects. Effectively removing these impediments is one of the key drivers to high performance. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a link below in the description. Thanks for watching.